Have you ever thought about selling on Amazon but never knew where to start? Are you sick and tired of working for somebody else, making them money? Imagine quitting your job and having your own business selling your own branded products on Amazon. This can be a reality for you and anyone else out there looking to make a change in their lives. Here at Freedom Pass, we take you all the way from being a beginner to being an advanced Amazon FBA seller, and within 3 to 6 months, you could be well on your way to earning passive income and getting all of your time and freedom back.
As you can see here, we're already generating 6 figures a month on one of our Amazon FBA businesses, and with our guidance, you can achieve this result too. In our step-by-step guide, you gain the knowledge and power to become your own boss and create financial freedom for yourself. By investing in yourself, you can unlock your true potential and gain the skills required to be generating consistent profits year on year in a way that doesn't tie your income to one location, meaning you can travel the world and live life by your rules and run your Amazon business from anywhere you desire.
With Freedom Pass, you gain access to over 80 videos broken down into 7 easy to understand modules, all the way from finding your first product, sourcing it, getting it ready to ship to Amazon, actually selling it on Amazon, and then generating consistent profits year on year. We give all of our clients the latest cutting edge knowledge to make sure that you get boosted to the top of page 1, maintain position long term while crushing your competition.
We show you how to brand your own private label products and build a successful Amazon business with no limit on what you can earn. We also show you how to get legal protection for your brand and products, so rest assured your Amazon business will be protected for the long term.
So what are you waiting for? Get your path to freedom with Freedom Pass today.